What's up, guys? Let's quickly chat about our WhatsApp integrations, the options that we have, the pros and the cons of the two, and also how to use the WhatsApp features that we have. So the first option that we're going to talk about is the WhatsApp that you would see when you scroll all the way down to the bottom left. So this is actually a third-party integration that we use. And this WhatsApp profile system that we have over here is a solution that integrates with your mobile device in the sense of, when you connect WhatsApp with your desktop and there's a QR code that you scan, we use that technology to integrate with our platform. So it's a third-party solution, and we love this integration due to the fact that you don't pay per message that you would with the WhatsApp Business API, which we will talk about now, but also the messages get sent from your mobile device. So while you're on the go, you can actually just go onto your WhatsApp and see which messages has gone out to new leads, which appointment reminders, etc., etc., etc. So how do we use this platform? As I mentioned, you're going to scroll down all the way to the left, and you will see that you have a screen like this. You're going to click on Add Account, and then from here, a pop-up will come up. So obviously, depending on if you're Android or iOS, you're going to go to Settings and click on Link Devices. You're going to click on Add Device, and then you're just going to scan the QR code on your mobile app. Obviously, on my side, it says logging in. I can name the integration, so I'm just going to call it Hustlery. And as you can see, our WhatsApp device have been connected. So something that's very important, you would see here on the right hand side, it says assign to user. So I'm going to assign this to myself. Within this demo sub account, we have 3 staff members, but I'm going to assign this to myself. The amazing feature around this is that you can add multiple WhatsApp accounts within this integration, meaning that, let's say, for example, you have 5 sales reps. You can add 5 WhatsApp accounts, assign a sales rep to each of the numbers, and then that WhatsApp number is then linked to that person within the environment. So the best way to explain this is that if I log in now as Jean at Hustlery, I can't go onto the platform and now send a lead, a WhatsApp message through the system as my login details. Only the staff member assigned to that WhatsApp line can send messages using their WhatsApp phone. Also, the other great thing is that you can assign leads to people, then send a WhatsApp message from their phone. So let's say, for example, you have an air conditioning company, you've got 5 sales reps. Leads can come into the platform. You can auto assign them equally. Let's say 5 reps, 20%, dividing it to 20%, automatically. So each person will get 20 leads out of 100 leads. But when that lead gets assigned to that person, their WhatsApp phone sends the message. It's not like the company phone does and everyone uses the same message. There's 5 reps in the field. Every rep has their own number, and the leads will automatically get a WhatsApp message from their phone. So obviously, I can understand if this sounds a bit complicated, but we're here to assist you. I think the powerful thing to understand from this WhatsApp profile that we have over here is that it connects with your phone using your QR code. You can add more than one device into the integration, and you can assign that then to a specific sales rep or staff within your business. But let's quickly see the awesome power with this type of integration. So firstly, something that's very important to note, that with this integration, it replaces our SMS functionality. So when we always install WhatsApp for everyone, if you do not want to use this functionality and you prefer to use SMS, please chat to us, because this replaces the SMS function within our platform, because there's still WhatsApp Business, which we'll discuss just now. But what I want to do is I just want to quickly give you some of the awesome capabilities with this integration and also the normal WhatsApp integration. What I want to do is, because there's no contact, I'm just going to fill in this form because some of one of the features that is amazing is obviously sending leads a WhatsApp message automatically. So I'm just going to type in whatever and then submit. This can be on Facebook, this can be on Google, not on Google, this could be on your website, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever someone fills in a form, you will capture their details. And when we go now here into contacts, the feature that it replaces the SMS functionality, I just quickly want to revert back to that, and then we can talk about all the other exciting things. But as you can see here now, I just scrambled a bunch of letters in there. This is now the WhatsApp message that has gone out automatically to that lead that came in. So as you can see here, it says my number, and then there's the message that just came in. As you will see here, it says SMS. So this is very important to understand, is that this WhatsApp replaces the SMS functionality. So I can just now say hi. I can also send a voice note, and then I can just say test 123 462 whatever W5W. And then whenever the user responds, you can also see that it comes back as a text. So this is very important. It replaces the text functionality. But let's look at, some awesome capabilities of having WhatsApp as an integration. And all of this happens through our automation, because we want you to obviously automate your business as much as possible. So some use cases for this is that whenever a new lead comes into the platform, as you can see that it says SMS new lead. I just want this to go back. Another cool thing is appointment confirmation or reminder. So if I now go here to WhatsApp, appointment confirmation reminder, it says that if a event type is normal as confirmed, send out SMS. So as you'll see here within automation, it says SMS. So over here we have templates. So it's an HTML snippet. I don't want to use a template. I'm just going to say hi contact. Thank you for booking an appointment. So then I can just put in the appointment details. So with regards to the automations, we'll have another video on that. So I'm just going to say appointment title, put it in there. And then I can also do appointment start and date time. And then what else can I put in here? And then maybe a reschedule link. So let's say, for example, you're now a salon, or you have a consulting business, and someone now books an appointment on your calendar. So obviously there's a lot that can happen with inside of automations. You can emails, it's infinite, the amounts of things that you can do within here. But obviously for this video, the one that we're talking about is WhatsApp. So now, with regards to the WhatsApp SMS, I say WhatsApp -SMS because this is like the WhatsApp mobile functionality. I just want to show you how cool it is. So let's say, for example, we have a contact now here, Tyron, and then I'm just going to click on it. I just hope that there is a calendar. Otherwise, I'm going to do like an idiot now. Let me just zoom out here. I zoom in so that people can have a better view of what's going on. But I'm going to just add a quick appointment even here. Book an appointment for Tyron. There's a blush lips. So this was like a permanent makeup example. Appointment title. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm just going to say book appointment. There we go. So, hey Tyron, thank you for booking an appointment. There's everything in that message. And so if I go here onto my device, it says there, hi Tyron, thank you for your booking appointment with the time and date, everything that I just chose. So it's completely automated. Now I can click here on reschedule, and then it takes me back to my calendar, and then I can reschedule it on my phone as well. So I just clicked on reschedule, and then it's opening a link for me to reschedule the appointment. So this is just an example. Another example is that I can now use this WhatsApp integration to request a payment. So I can say, listen, I'm selling 1 kilogram chicken. Copy and marker send. I can send an invoice to the client as well. And this is all done through the system, but through my phone. So it looks like I'm sending this to the client because it's on my WhatsApp on my phone. So if I go to my WhatsApp business, where I chose the QR code, you will see they send messages from my phone, all the information that we've just sent. And that is the power with integrating your device with the platform. So there's a lot that can happen. I think the long and the short of it is that it's powerful because it's from your phone, you're on the move. WhatsApp leads that come in automatically, appointment reminders, appointment confirmation. So let's say, for example, I booked the appointment for tomorrow at 1, an hour before the appointment, your phone will send a reminder to the client to say, listen, please remember that you have an online call within an hour. So very, very, very powerful. Now let's chat about WhatsApp Business. So WhatsApp Business is a feature that we sell for $20. and this uses Meta's WhatsApp business capabilities. The difference between this and the version that's included is that with this platform you pay per message. Obviously there's additional monthly cost, but you pay per message. The reason for that is that this is used for mass marketing. So if I, for example, go into my account, you would see that in the last 7 days, we've already sent 2,500 WhatsApp messages. If you try to do this with your personal device, your phone, it just Meta is going to block you and block your number if you start sending out broadcast messages to 10,000 people using your mobile device. So something like this, the WhatsApp business integration is great if you want to do mass marketing or buttons. You add buttons to your WhatsApp messages and do all the fun stuff, because within here you need to create templates to send messages. So here we have a bunch of templates. If I have to do, for example, demo WhatsApp video, and I edit this template, you would see that we can add buttons, etc. So there's a lot that can happen within this, but this is more used for marketing compared to the other one that's used for utility, where a lead comes in, it's from your phone, send a message, appointment reminders. There's a lot of utility, where the WhatsApp business specifically is for mass marketing, because Meta wants to approve your templates for you to be able to send it to hundreds and thousands of people if you have so much data in your database. So that is the main thing and the main difference. But also, as mentioned earlier, is that with the WhatsApp Meta integration, there's also costs. So if you go onto the pricing at developers.facebook, you would see that you can do the pricing explained in PDF. There's a lot of rules and regulations around it. So yeah, the long and the short of it, do not use your mobile integration as a marketing tool. There is definitely a chance that your number will get blocked. If you want to do WhatsApp marketing, yes, please look at the WhatsApp Meta business, integration. You can get that through going to settings and then going to WhatsApp, and then you can subscribe in here to start using the WhatsApp bulk messaging technology and the templates and all of that. So yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to us so that we can assist you with the right feature for your business to make sure that you're set up for success. Thank you so much for watching.